Keep it. And now here we go. So the first question goes like this. Let X denote the difference of two numbers while throwing a two pair dice. Actually, two pair dice are thrown, and then you got to find the difference of the numbers, find the mean and variance of X. Okay. Now, what are the difference of the numbers? Suppose difference of the numbers means, suppose you have 1 and 1. The difference of the numbers is like 1 minus 1, that is 0. Suppose I get 3 and 4. The difference of the numbers is 4 minus 3, which is 1. Like this, what is the maximum difference you will get? What is the minimum difference you will get? Can you tell me?
What is the maximum
difference of the numbers you will get? What is the minimum difference you will get? Can you guess?
Minimum is 0.
Very good. This is the case. Minimum is 0. Good. And what is the maximum?
1.
No. You have
maximum
1 and
can
6.
be anything.
No. 1 and 6. This is the maximum difference. 6
5.
minus 1, 5. That is the maximum difference you can have. Right? Got it? No.
Yeah.
So this is the maximum difference. This is the minimum difference. Anything between 0 and 5 you can take. So let us write the distribution. Yeah. Let's write the distribution.
Okay.
2 dice are true.
2 dice.
Now let's write the distribution. And now that is X is for, you can get 0. You can get the difference 1. You can get the difference 2. You can get the difference 3. You can get the difference 4. You can get the difference 5. This is the maximum difference what you can see here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And now you have to see the probability that P of X, that you get a difference of 0. So how many cases do you get the difference 0? Can you guess?
How many cases will get the difference 0?
0, yes.
Only if it's 1 and 1. So 1 minus, no. If it's 2
think,
and 2 also, it will be 0.
Yes.
So 6.
6 cases, okay. 6 out of?
6 out of 12.
No, 36. I told you. 2 dice are thrown, it's 36 possibilities you will get.
36. Yeah, 36.
So 6 out of 36, right? So it is 6 by 36, which is 1/6, right? 6 by 36 is 1/6. So this is 1 by 6. And now, what is the difference 1? How many cases do you get the difference 1?
How many cases?
Do you get the difference 1?
1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 4, 6, 5.
Sorry?
5.
Only 5? See, I'll tell you, you see. 1, 2, and you can have 2, 1. Here, both the cases difference 1. Similarly.
10 then.
Slowly, we'll work out slowly, okay? So you can have 2, 3,
2, 3
or 3, 2. Now, next one, can you tell me?
4, 3 or 3, 4.
3, 4 or 4, 3. Good. Next one?
6, 5 or
5, 6 or
5, 6.
6, 5. Yeah, any other case further? Any other case?
2 and 1, 3 and 2, 4 and 3, 5 and 4.
5 and 4. Okay. That is 4 and 5. And 5 and 4. Anything else?
Yeah, that's all.
That's all? Think. No problem. You take time and think.
Yeah.
No problem. I will give you time. Are these only the 10 possibilities you can get the difference?
2, 3, 3.
Whether everything is written or not, you just check. Whatever the possibilities you keep. 2, 3, 3, 2. That's why you had to follow.
This is all possibilities.
These are the maximum possibilities, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write like this. 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5, 6. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can have, that's it. Up to here you write, and then you start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the maximum case. And then you topple reverse them. So that will be 10 cases where you get
1,
the
2,
difference
3.
1, right? So when you reverse that, you get
cases.
the maximum 10. So 10 out of Out of
36.
36. Very good. So it will be 10 by 36. So 10 by 36 is how much, Emma? So let's cancel the thing.
3.6.
Huh?
36, 5 to 10. Or
2 5s and 2 18s. 5 by 18.
yeah, 5 by 8.
Okay. Now the next one. Second, how do you get? How many cases do you get the difference to?
2. 2 can be 1 and 3,
Yeah.
and 3 and 1.
Yeah. Good. So first
4
write
and
all the numbers, all the possible numbers on the type. So how to do that? I'll tell you. This technique I'll tell you. You see, you write this first one. Order pace we had to write 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up to here we'll write. Let us check. Okay, 6 we need not write. Okay, we'll write 6, no problem. We'll write 6. Okay, we don't have 7 or
yeah.
8 or something. So 1 to get the difference 3, 2. So you can write 1, 3. The other condition is 3, 1.
Yeah.
First part. And now for 2 to get the difference 2, you can have 2, 4
4.
or 4, 2. Right. Now for 3, you can
3,
have 3,
1.
5, 3, 5. 3, 1 is already here.
Yeah, okay. 3,
Okay,
5.
that's why we are writing here itself. So 3, 5 or 5, 3. Finished.
Yeah.
Now, after 4, 4, 6, right? That's the maximum.
4, 2, 4, 6.
4, 2 is here.
Okay, 4,
That's
6.
why you have to topple then and there. Once you got this, you topple it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now 4, 6 and 6, 4.
6, 4.
Right. You got this. Now 5.
5. 3 is not possible.
Yeah, 5, 7 is not possible. So this will not work. Now, how many possibilities do you get? 1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 36, right? So you have 8 out of 36. Out of 36 are the required possibilities. So it's 8 by 36. 8 by
4
36
by
is,
18.
so it is further
4 by 18. 4 by 18.
4 by 18. Please think once. 4 by
yeah.
you can cancel with 4 table. 4 2 is 8.
13.
4 9. 2 by 9. Right?
4.
Yeah. 4 2 is 8. 4 9 is 36. Directly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
9 4 36, right? Clear? Now,
Okay.
let's go to 3. So, can you tell me the possibilities how to write for 3?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
Write
6.
everything. Right, write everything. Write everything. So, first write
3,
this first
4,
part. 1.
1 and
You
4.
have 2. You can have 3.
1.
You can have
1
4.
and 1 and 4. 4 and 1.
1 4 and 4 1. You topple it here
Yeah.
itself. Yes, 4 1. Now
2 and 6 and 6 and 2.
how 2 and 6 will be there?
6 and 2 and 5.
2 and 5. Yeah. 2 and
2 and
5.
5. 5 and 2.
5 and 2.
3
5
and 6. 3 and 6.
3 and 6
6
and
and 3.
6 and 3.
6
Anything
and 3.
further?
No.
No. Why? 4 and 7. 7 is not possible. So these possibilities are removed. You can cancel that out. So how many do you have? 6 out of 36, right? 6 possibilities. 6
1
out
by
of 36.
6.
So it's 1 by 6. Very good. Now, how to get difference of 4?
1 by 6. Again the same.
Same funda.
1
Funda is same. Like this, you can work out. Very easily you can work out. Now, how do you get
1
the
and
difference?
5. And 5 and 1.
1 and 5 and 5 and 1. I hope this is the only possibility. Now, 2 when you take 2 and 6. Yeah, you can have the difference of 4, 2 and 6 and 6 and 2.
Oh.
Right? Now anything further? No, you don't have anything further. So 4 out of 36. So 4 by 36. That is 1 by 9. So that's 1 by 9 for you. What is 5? Or when do you get the difference 5?
I think you get only 2.
Yeah, very good. Correct. That's 1 6 or 6 1 will give you the difference of 5. So that is 2 out of 36. So it is 1 by 18. Clear?
Yeah.
Now very simply what you can do, mean means what we have to do? Mean is mu. Mu is sigma xi p of xi, right? So let's multiply the things. So 0 into 1 6 plus 1 into, this is 5 by 18 plus 2 into 2 by 9 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 4 into 1 by 9 plus 5 into 1 by 18. So can you sum it?
Yeah.
I will do that. No problem.
Into 1 by. So first one is 0.
The first one part is 0.
And 5 by 8 plus 4 by 9 plus 3 by 6.
So the first part is 0
plus 5
plus 5
by
by
30.
18 plus 4 by 9 plus 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is half. So let's put it as half. 1 by 2 plus 4 by 9 plus 5 by 18. So you have, let us add this 5 by 18s together. 5 by 18 plus 5 by 18. So what is that? 10 by 18. Because they are like fractions, no? Denominators are same. So you can add up.
And 4 by 9 and 4
by 9 plus 4 by 9 is 8 by 9.
8 by 9.
Plus 1 by 2. Let us keep it like this. And now 10 by 18 we can reduce further. You see this. 2 5s and 2 9s. So it is 5 by 9 plus 8 by 9 plus 1 by 2 is there. Plus 1 by 2.
We can do 5
plus 8 is 13. So let us make it 13 by 9 plus 1 by 2. Now it's very easy. So the denominator is 18 over here. 13 to 26 plus 9 over here. So that is 35 by 18. That's the answer. Clear?
Yeah.
So hence the answer. Clear? So this is the value of. So let us write it aside. The mu value is 35 by 18. So let's keep it aside. Now, how do you find the variance?
The variance.
Yeah. How do you find the variance? So for that, forgot. Okay. Now,
wait again.
Remember that formula?
Yeah, you have to square it.
Which one?
No, yeah, you have once you get this thing, you have to square the thing and multiply, add it.
Which one you had to add, which one you had to multiply?
The answer we got, we have to square it.
Yeah, first thing is, what is that answer we got? That is mean. The mean value, you had to square it and first keep it. So the squared value is 35 square, that is 1225, divided by 18 square, that is 324. Keep it aside first.
Yeah.
So
And
35 square
then
is
we have to
1225 and then
multiply with 1 by 6.
huh? No. Why you
We,
had to
yeah,
look?
35 into 1 by 6 plus,
No,
no?
no, 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 not that. First, you had to square it and
We
keep.
have,
That is step one. Okay, agree.
yeah.
Now, what you had to do
Yeah.
is
No, and
variance.
then multiply with the 1 by 6, 5 by 18, 2 by 9.
No, no, no. See the formula? Sigma xi square P of xi minus mu square. This is the formula.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you had to do? This is sigma square variance. What you had to do now? What is xi square?
X square is,
This is also known as E of x square minus E of x whole square. Right?
yeah.
So this also I told you what is E
Oh,
of x.
yeah, you have to square the x, which
This
is
one. That means 0 square into 1
square
by 6
into 1 by 6
plus
plus 1
next
square
1 square into
1 by
5
6
by 18 plus next one 2
plus 4
square plus 2 square into 2 by 9
and
plus this one is
9
3 square into 3 square into
3
1
square
by 6 plus
4 square
4
into
square into 1 by 9 plus 5 square into 1 by 18. This is what you had to do. And then
yeah.
you had to subtract this value 1225 by 324. That is mu
This
square.
value.
So this value you had to find.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear? Okay, let's solve this one.
So 1 by 6.
So let's solve it slowly. So this part is 0 anyway. So don't have to worry about the first one. Sigma square, this part is anyway 0. Don't worry about that. 1 square into 5 by 18, keep it as is, plus 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8. So it is 8 by 9 plus 8 by 9 plus
Yeah.
now
9 by
3
6
9 by 6. Keep it as is.
and
No problem. 9 by 6. Let us keep it.
16 by 9
16 by 9.
and 25 by 8.
25 by 18. Good. Now after this, you had to sum these two first. You add up the like fractions. Okay. 5 by 18 plus 25 by 18. So it is simply 30 by 18. 5 plus 25 is 30. 30 by 18. And now 8 by 9 plus 16 by 9. That is 16 plus 8. That is 24, right? So 24 by 9. This part is over. And you are left with, I have not subtracted this 1225 divided by 324. That we'll do later. And now what I have is 9 by 6 is there, plus 9 by 6. 9 by 6, can we do something here? 3 3 is 9 and 3 2. So let's keep it as 3 by 2. No issues on that. Minus 1225 by 324. Okay, keep it. Now let us see. So here you have 30 by 18. Here we can cancel further. So you see that this is 2 15s and 2 9s. So 15 by 9 plus 24 by 9. 24 plus 15, that is 39. 39 by 9. Okay, right. So you have 39 by 9 plus 3 by 2 minus 1225 by 324. Anything further?
No, we have to just take the else for the plus.
Yes, yes. Please take
18,
LCM.
18 and 39 into 2. Which is 78 minus
Okay. So it is
927.
So
78 minus
78 plus 27. So
78 plus 27.
Right.
105 by 18.
78 plus 27 whole divided by 18, right? Minus
Yeah. 3.
1225 by 324.
I got 105.
This is 105. Good. 105 divided by 18 minus 1225 by 324. Now I think further we can move. Yes, of course, this is 324. That will be the LCM here because 18 square is 324. Okay. Now,
Okay.
so what you have is 105 into 18
105
minus 1225 is what you have to do.
1225.
Yeah. Can you do this?
Yeah.
105 into 18, we can do like this. See, 18 into 105, you can write it as 100 plus 5, right? It is 1800, 18 5 is 90. So it is simply 1890, right?
Okay.
So 1890 minus 1225, you can do this easily. 1890 minus
1890 minus
1225. Right?
1225.
So it is
5,
5 and that
6,
is
6
8
or
minus
5.
2 6. So 1665 divided by
0, 665.
1665.
No, 1.
Oh, 0, 665. Sorry. So it's, oh yeah, 1 minus 1 is 0. Correct. So it is 665 divided by 324. Right.
I think we can leave it here.
Let's check 665. That is 12 plus 5, 17. Yeah, we can leave it here. No problem. So it is not a multiple of 3 or something. You can leave it here.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's solve the next one. Let's go back to the next problem and then see. Find the mean of the numbers of tails. Find the mean of the numbers of trials obtained when biased coin having 25% chances of head and 75% tail is tossed 2 times. That's a really great one. Find the mean of the numbers of tails. Okay.
Number of
Obtained
tails.
when a biased coin is tossed 2 times. Okay. Okay. We'll do it. So
Find
this
the
is
number
a
of tails.
okay. I will write the question. We'll see that. Find. So I will read the question here. Coin bias coin. We'll write it. Bias coin.
Why?
Is,
Oh, because it's only tail.
yeah, they told. But is tossed twice. Okay, I'll write the gist of this. Biased coin is tossed twice, and the head is having a probability of 25%, which is 1/4. And the tail is having a probability of 75%, which is 3/4. I hope I'm clear with this. Now, is it right? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now, the biased coin is tossed twice. Now, this is the thing given, and then you have to see per distribution per heads. Distribution per heads is what you have to write. So, how do you write the distribution for the heads? So, and then you have to find mean and variance. Okay, right? Mean and variance.
Okay.
So, how do we do that? So, let's write this situation scenario. So, when you are tossing the coin twice, so we got to write the thing. I will tell you how easily we can solve this. I will tell you how to do this.
Okay.
So this is x and p of x. Now I tell you that how many tails can come when the coin is tossed twice. You can have 0 tails. You can have 1 tail.
Yeah.
you can have 2 tails, right? That's all maximum.
Yeah.
Now, okay. Now, the thing is here, the 0 tails situation is that you are getting both the heads, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you are getting both the heads, how do you deal with this one is P of H into P of H. You can use this directly. What is the probability of getting the head? 1/4. And probability of getting the head is 1/4. So it is 1/16. So
Yeah.
this 1/16 direct. And now how many ways you can get the tail? You can get the tail in HT or a TH situation, both.
Yes. Yeah.
So what is the probability to get a head and tail? That is probability of a head into probability of tail, right? The
Yeah.
head probability is 1/4 and the tail probability is 3/4. It's not half and half. So that's you have to remember. 3/16 here, right? And now P of TH is also 3/16. Got it? So
Okay.
you have these are the both possibilities. So you got to sum up these two. So 3/16 plus 3/16 will come up as 6/16, right? So 6/16 is 2 3s and 2 8s. So it factors up to 3/8, right? Now the second possibility. The third possibility, 2 tails, is simply P of tail and tail. That is again P of tail into P of tail. So for tossing coin, you can use this formula. So it is like, yeah, it is like 3/4 into 3/4, which is 9/16. Clear?
Okay.
So let's write this. Let's write this separately so that we'll write the distribution.
Okay.
Let us write this distribution. So this is X and P of X. So you can have 0 tails, you can have 1 tail, and you can have 2 tails. So 0 tail situation is 2 heads. That what we calculated it out 1/16, right? This is 3/8. This is 3/16, right?
16.
So you sum up the probabilities once. 1/16 plus 3/8. We'll write it as 6/16 plus 3/16. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So some of the probabilities. Am I going wrong somewhere?
7/8, 9, 10.
This is how the distribution is. You can have maximum 2 tails. Some of the probabilities that okay, this is not about the total. Okay, this is not the total distribution. I don't think this is the total distribution. 0, you can have 1 tail, you can have 2 tails. Okay, that's a biased coin, so you cannot have. I don't think you can have this one. So am I right about the 3/8 part?
Yeah.
Did I calculate correctly about the head and tail?
Yes, because
yeah, you can have P of head and tail and tail and head. So 2 times head and tail is 1/4 and tail is 3/4. So I calculated correctly. This is fine. Fine. This is 3/8, and then
3/16.
2 tails. That is 3/16. Yeah, 3/16. Okay. 3/16. It's not 3/16. It is 9/16. It's 3/4 into 3/4, which is 9/16. So 9 plus 3 plus 1, right? 9 plus 6 plus 1. So then it is correct. 9/16 it should be. Because 3 into 3/4 into 3/4, the distribution should work. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Done. So this distribution is correct. 9/16 it should be. Otherwise, the distribution is wrong.
Okay.
So that's how I checked it.
So we got 1.
So now the sum should be 1. Then only you can apply the mean. So the mean is 0 into 1/16 plus 1 into 3/8. 3/8 is 6/16. Let's write it. And 2 into 9/16. 9/16. Right. So it is 3/4 into 3/4. That is tail. So 9/16. So here this happens to be 0. So this is 6/16 plus 2 into 9 by 16, that is 18 by 16.
6
So
by 16.
24 by 16, it is.
18 by.
So here it's 8 2s and 8 3. So it's 3 by 2. Okay,
Yeah.
mean value is 3 by 2. You got to square it and keep it aside. So 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. Square it and keep it aside. This is to calculate the variance.
Okay. M square is equal to
Mu square,
9.
mu. It is called mu.
New, yeah. New square is equal to 9 by.
Now what I do is sigma square. How do we do sigma square?
Sigma square, you have to square it, and then you have to use 0 square.
Yeah, 0 square.
0 square into
1 by 16.
1 by 16.
Yeah.
And 1 square into 3 by 18.
3 by 8 or 6 by 16.
3 by 8, sorry. 3 by 8.
Yeah. Or next one, 2 square
And
into 9 by
9
16. Yeah. Submit and tell me. Minus, you should not forget mu square, right? So
Yeah,
sigma
minus
square is, so
0.
6 by 16. First part is 0. Second part 9 4 36 by 16.
36
minus 9 by 4, right?
by 4, yeah.
9 by 4. 36 plus 6 is 42.
42.
42 by 16 minus 9
minus
by 4. So we can write it 36 by 16. We can write this as 36 by 16. Why? Because I multiply and divide with 4 so that I get the same denominator. So 42 minus 36 is 6. 6 by 16. So you can work out to be as 3 by 8. 2, 3, 6 and 2 8s are 16. So the 3 by 8 factor you are getting, that is sigma square. So that's how to find the mean.
Okay.
Clear? I hope.
Yeah.
I'm clear with this one. Fine.
Yeah.
So let's move on to the next one. Let's find the mean and variance of the number of sixes when 2 dice are thrown. Okay, find the mean and variance of number of sixes when 2 dice are thrown. Okay, how many sixes you can get when you are throwing the dice? Okay, so that's what we'll see. Find the mean and variance when for number of sixes when 2 dice are thrown. So this is the one we have to see. So how do we deal with this one? So how many sixes you can have when 2 dice are thrown?
To me.
Yeah. So that's what the crux is. Crux of the question.
Where number of 6.
Number of sixes when 2 dice are thrown. Did you understand the question?
Yeah. Find the mean
and variance.
Number of sixes. You have to find when number of sixes are drawn when 2 dice are thrown.
Drawn.
6, which is 3, 3.
No, not that. Not that. They didn't ask you about the sum 6. They didn't ask you about the sum 6. The question is, your die is there.
Yeah.
On that,
number of sixes.
See, on that the 6 should appear.
When 2 dice are drawn.
Yeah, 2 dice are thrown, not drawn.
Oh, sorry. 2 dice.
Drawn.
2 dice are
Drawn is meant for the pack of cards.
Okay.
Is that either casted or thrown? That's how the language comes in. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
now,
So
how many?
one.
Sorry.
There's only 1 6 in one dice.
Yeah. 2 dice are thrown. How many sixes are possible?
In one dice, 36, 2 by 36. No.
No, ma.
1
I
by
asked
6.
No, I didn't ask you about the probability at all.
Then
I asked a
Two.
simple question.
2 times there can be 6.
Yeah, 2 times there can be 6. Yes.
Yeah.
So when you imagine you are throwing a dice, you have dice in your hand. That imagination you should have. Otherwise, it's very impossible. You have thrown the dice.
Yeah.
How many sixes are
Another
possible?
dice.
A pair of dice. Now,
2 6.
now see, Aditi, think slowly. No problem. I'll give you time. You have taken 2 dice in your hand. Okay.
Yeah.
Imagine the situation. Slowly you think. I'll give you time. You have 2 dice in your hand.
Yeah.
Now you have thrown the dice.
Yeah.
How many sixes can come? That's my question.
How many sixes can come?
Yeah.
In one throw of 2
in
dice.
one throw of 2 dice. Yes.
2 times it can come. That's all.
2 sixes.
Yeah.
That's it. 1 6.
But then they, yeah, 1 and 1 6 can come, and then next on the other dice.
It 6 may not come also, right?
Yeah, it cannot come, or
so the cannot come is 0.
Yeah.
1 6 can come is 1.
Okay.
At most 2 sixes.
Sixes when 2 number of 6.
Did you get the answers?
Yeah, okay. Oh, but they're not asking that both have to be 6.
No, they did not ask you that the sum is 6.
Okay, just 6.
6 has to turn up when you are throwing the dice. So how many possibilities are there? 6 can turn up. You can have 0 sixes. You can have 1 6. You can have both are sixes, right?
Yeah.
As simple as that. Now you can think like this also. Like imagine a batsman is playing a cricket match, right?
Yeah.
So what is the probability 2 balls are bowled? What is the probability? What is the probability to get the number of sixers? How many sixers are possible? Suppose they ask you like that. Batsman is batting. He can hit 2 balls to 2 sixers, right?
Yeah.
Consecutive sixes. He may hit 1 6 and then next ball he can get some other runs, or he may get out. That is 1 6.
Yeah.
And now third possibility is both the balls he can leave also. Right. That is also there. Right.
Yeah.
He cannot hit the same way. Dice is also like that only. So what is the possibility that you are not going to get any 6?
Not going to get
even a single 6.
0.
Why do you say that? I can get 3 2. That case I didn't.
Yeah, but they're not asking that. They're only asking they're not
what
asking.
Is the possibility that you will not get a 6 on either of the dice?
You won't get 6 on either of the dice.
Either of the dice, yes.
The probability?
No, chances you tell. Probability, the later will think. How many chances you can get? You will not get 6 at all.
There are 5 other numbers. So
yeah. Yes. Think about it. Tell me.
You can get 1, you can get 2, you can get 3, you can get 4, you can get 5.
Think about it. Slowly you think.
In one dice.
Yeah. You are throwing 2 dice. You are trying
even the other dice. The other dice.
You have to write the possibilities, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me how to write the possibilities.
You can get 1 and 2.
1 1. You start with 1 1.
1 and 1 and 2 and 2,
Yeah. 2,
3
2.
and 3,
Yeah. 3, 3.
4 and 4, 5 and 5,
4 and 4 and 5 and 5. Okay.
and 1 and 2,
Yeah. 1 and
2
2.
and 1,
1 and 2, 2 and 1. Like
3
this, if
and
you
1.
write, you will get confused after me. I think. Like
Yeah,
this, if
yeah,
you
okay.
write, you
So
will
no,
get
down.
confused.
No, down. After 1 and down, you have to write 1 and 3.
Good. Next.
And 1 and 4. 1 and 5.
1 and 5. And now you topple everything.
Yeah.
Right. Now 2, 1
Yeah.
and 3, 1.
3,
And
1.
you have 4, 1.
4, 1.
And you have
5,
5, 1.
1.
Right. Now the
Yeah.
first possibility is over. Now you start with 2, 2, you already told. 2, 1 has already come. 2, 2 has already come. And now you have 2, 3. Next
3,
is 2, 4.
3, 2.
2, 4.
Yeah.
Later we'll write. That is
Okay.
very easy. 2, 4. You can have 2, 5. You cannot have 2,
5.
right?
No.
And then you topple this. 3, 2.
3,
You
2.
have 4, 2.
4.
And again 5.
4. 5.
Right. Next. Then you turn up with 3. Okay. 3,
3,
4.
2.
Yeah, 3, 2 is already done.
Yeah, okay.
3, 3 is already
5,
done.
4.
No, 3. You start with 3. 3, 5. Right.
5. Yeah.
3, 5 or 3, 4. Yeah, you can start with 3, 4. 3, 4. You can have 3,
3,
5.
5.
Right. And now what are the other possibilities? You topple it 4, 3
4, 3.
and 5, 3.
Yeah.
Now this is done. Next. Next, what are the other possibilities? Next, you can start with 4. So 4, 1 is over, 4, 2 is over, 4, 1 is over, 4, 2 is over,
4, 4.
4, 3 is over, 4, 4 is also over. And then you have 4, 5 and 5, 4. Right?
5, 4.
Right. Good. And now that's how you screen everything. And then file. You have 5, 1, you have 5, 2, right?
5, 3.
You have 5, 3,
5, 5.
you have 5, 4, you have 5, 4, right? You cannot have 5, 6, right?
Yeah.
So how many in total you can count? That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is method 1. Okay. This is method 1.
Okay.
So you got how many? 24, huh?
25.
25.
Yeah.
So 25 by 36. Right?
Yeah.
These are the possibilities. You cannot have 6.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the method 1. Now I tell you another method. Another method of solving this. Another method of solving this is you find the cases where you will get the 6. And subtract that probability. That is much easier. So let's check it. That one also. So here you find the cases where you get the 6. That means you can have the 6, 6 first. We'll write it and keep it aside. And now you can have 1, 6. You can have 2, 6. You can have 3, 6.
3, 6.
You can
4,
have
6,
4, 6. You can
5,
have
6.
5, 6.
That's all.
That's all. And then you topple these things. And again, you have 6, 1,
1, 2, 3,
and
4,
6,
5.
2,
36,
and
I
6,
think.
3,
Oh.
and again 6, 4,
10,
and
12.
6, 5. Right? How many? This is
12.
total 5,
11.
5, and this is 11. Right?
Yeah.
So it is 11 out of 36 possibilities. You will get the 6. So you don't want the 6. You don't want the 6 is 1 minus 11 by 36. So that is anyway 25 by 36. Easily you arrived here. Right?
Okay.
So this, which is best method? This is the best one.
Yeah.
Clear? So you got 25 by 36. This is the case where you will not get the 6. So
Okay.
that's 25 by 36. How many chances do you get? 2 sixes will go for that. That is only one case. That is 1 out of 36. Right?
36.
1 out of 36. Only getting 1 6 here itself you have everything in hand.
Yeah.
That is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is 10 by 36. Everything is solved by simply looking at this itself.
Yeah.
So instead of counting where 6 is not there, you just check the count where the 6 is there, and then you start subtracting the things. Your life will be easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are tricks you had to learn, and then you can go ahead. So this is a very good exercise where you can have. Now it's almost over. Now you don't have to worry about it. You can figure out how to handle this question. Now, how do you find a mean? Check whether the sum is 1. So all
Yeah.
the
It's
probability
one.
is 1. Yeah, you check it.
Yeah.
So it is 10 plus 25
5.
plus 1. So that is 36 by 36 plus 1. So you can apply for the mean formula.
Yeah.
So mean mu is 0 into 25 by 36 plus 1 into 10 by 36 plus 2
Plus
into 2
2
by
into 1.
36.
2 by 36.
Now this part is anyway 0. So 10 by
10
36
by 36
plus 2
4 by
into 2, 4 by 36. So it is simply 14 by 36. So let's solve this 2 7s 14 and 2 8s, right? 8 into 36. So 7 by 18. That's the mean. And now what you have to do? Square it and keep it aside. So square it, that is 49 divided by
49.
324. Let's keep it aside. Keep it aside. Now what I have to do? Sigma
0
square.
square
Sigma square is sigma xi square p of xi.
minus
This is what I have to do. And now it happens to be
0
so 0
square.
square into this part will eliminate. Don't worry about that.
Mm.
So 1 square into 10 by 36. That is
That
anyway
is
10 by 36.
1 by
Plus 2
and
square
that
into
is
1 by 36. That is 2
4
square
by
is 4 by 36.
36.
Minus
40,
49 by 324.
324.
49 by 324.
I can write this at 14.
Right. Now, so it is 14 by 36 minus 49 by 324.
7 by
So
8.
let's clear this. So it is 14 by 36 minus 49 by 324 is what you have,
24.
right? So here we can do something. So what I do is 2 7s and then 2 18s will keep. So it is 7 by 18 minus 49 by 324 you have. And now you can do something here. Here you can write it as 18 times
18 into 18 is 320.
18 into 7 I will put minus, here I will write 7 into 7. I will not multiply.
Yeah.
So divided by 324. Let's keep it. Let me
24.
take 7 as common out of these two. So I get 18 minus 7 is what I have. 18 minus 7. I have beautiful number now. So divided by 324. 18 minus 7 is 11, you see. So it is 11 times 7 divided by 324. 11 7s 77 divided by 324. Hence our answer. So
77.
So 77 by 324.
Okay.
Clear? So how to solve this? Clear? So we'll see the next part tomorrow, Aditi.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
take care. I'll let you know the timing tomorrow. So when can we meet? Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.